In December of 2000, Bill Clinton signed into law the Children's Internet Protection Act. It required public libraries that receive federal benefits to put filters on their computers to protect children from accessing obscene and pornographic material on the Internet. That sounds like a good thing. In January of 2001, the American Library Association sued. Their attorney was Teresa Chamorro. Remember that name. She stated, "We have filed a lawsuit today on behalf of public libraries and patrons of public libraries, challenging the enacted Children's Internet Protection Act. Public libraries have a critical mission in our society to provide their communities with access to the broadest range of information available. The courts have recognized the critical role that libraries play in maintaining the fabric of our society and promoting freedom of expression. This law tears into that fabric. This law forces libraries to censor access to speech or forego critical Internet funding. Congress cannot constitutionally force libraries to ignore the needs of the communities they serve with a federal mandate that blocks access to protected speech. The Children's Internet Protection Act violates the First Amendment of the Constitution." The ACLU joined in the lawsuit. In June of 2003, the Supreme Court ruled in a 6-3 decision that the Children's Internet Protection Act does not violate the First Amendment and is constitutional. So much for Teresa Chamorro, who is scheduled to give us a lecture today at 4:30. What's particularly disturbing is that the board chose this person to presumably tell us that everything is okay, that obscenity should be protected instead of protecting the innocence of our children. You've revealed who you are and where you stand. Some food for thought. I counted so far 43 books in our county libraries which promote the LGBT agenda and or sexuality targeting children 12 and under. 3 of those were published in 2017. The other 40 were published since Julie Phillips has been our library director. It's possible the other 3 were added by her, but I don't know that. Some of these titles are only available in Botetourt County, meaning the 14 libraries in Roanoke and Salem don't carry them. I'm Catholic, a minority in Botetourt County. I searched for Catholic books for children and none came up. Excuse me. And don't tell me that those 43 books were requested by patrons, which the ALA says should be the last reason for adding new books. Finally, for every new book added, an existing book is removed. What's being removed and why? In library speak, that removal of books is not called book banning, it's called deselection. This is an agenda, and you're allowing it to